Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the fastest currently known method to selling items on the Steam market. And it doesn't automate the process using something like a bot or a script because that's actually against Steam's official rules and will result in a ban. But using this method definitely makes it more efficient to sell items, and it also still gets you the best possible price on your items. So let's get started here. The first thing you want to do is download this Chrome extension called Augmented Steam. So you'll have to be using the Google Chrome web browser and log into Steam through that instead of the Steam client. But the first thing you can do is just add this to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. And I'll leave a link to this download in the description below. So once you've done that, you can go to the Steam store, and the link is store.steampowered.com, and then hover over your username and click on Inventory. So as you can see, I have a bunch of Steam trading cards, and all of these can be sold on the market. So if we click on one, you'll notice that there's these two buttons that normally aren't there. So normally it's just the sell button, and you could plug in your custom price, agree to the terms, and then put it up for sale, and you have this price graph as well. But now we have quick sell and instant sell, and these are both one-click buttons to sell your items faster. So essentially what quick sell does is it looks on the Steam market for any currently active listings of the item, and it finds the lowest priced one and then undercuts it by 1 cent and then lists your item on the market for that price. So as you can see, the lowest priced listing right now is 17 cents, so you can quick sell it for 16 cents. And then of course it's not instant, it just lists the item, but it's much faster than listing for 17 cents because you have the lowest price, so you're going to sell first. So we can just try this right here. If we click on it, it'll gray out the card, and you can do this for multiple cards. And if we refresh the page, you'll see that these cards are now gone. And then if we go to the Steam market right here, so as you can see, we have our two listings here. One is for 16 cents, and this is what the lowest price is besides ours, right? So we're undercutting it by 1 cent. We're going to sell before these guys, and same thing for this item. So if we go back to our inventory, we can try instant sell. So this one is a little different, mainly because it's instant. So basically it looks for the highest priced buy order on the market, and then it fulfills that buy order. So if we click on instant sell, it will automatically get us 1 cent. If we can refresh the page, and there we go, 5 cents. So the reason why we only got 1 cent for that is because Steam actually charges a sort of tax on every item that you sell. But as you just saw, the instant sell worked as expected. So just want to make a quick video about that, because if you're selling 100 or maybe even over 1,000 different Steam items, you definitely want to use this extension, because otherwise you would have to do a lot of clicks per item and maybe even go to the Steam market to look at the prices and the buy orders, and it just takes a little while to do that for every single item. But with this plugin, you can just click on one of these buttons. And then you'll also notice that sometimes it doesn't have the quick sell, and that just means that there is no current listing on the market to compare to. And then if it doesn't have instant sell, that just means that there's no buy orders. But a lot of them have at least one of those options. And of course, you can still customize your price if you choose to do that. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. I definitely appreciate it, and I'll hopefully see you guys in a future tutorial.